Welcome, Softappers! Today we're talking about the difference between organic and inorganic pigments. We get asked this a lot and we wanted to answer your question and see if we could put you a little bit more at ease about permanent makeup ingredients.
First of all, what do these terms mean? In food, when we're referring to organic, we mean zero pesticides, but this is different when we're talking about chemistry.
In chemistry, when we say organic, we mean that a molecule contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. These are the most abundant elements on Earth and they comprise most of the life on this planet.
Inorganic compounds are usually materials that come from the Earth's crust. These usually include materials such as iron oxides or titanium dioxide. And one of the big differences between organic and inorganic materials also is the tone of the colors in general. It's not for all of them.
Inorganic pigments are generally more muted.
Yeah.
They come from like a mineral source.
And the organic pigments are typically brighter.
But not always. We do also tend to think of organic pigments as having more of a dye characteristic. Like if you're going to dye the plastic on the back of a chair, then this is like the vibrance that we think about with organic pigment. Why does this matter for pigments?
Yeah, you're probably wondering, which one do I choose? Each individual material brings something different to the table. There isn't one perfect ingredient, which is why many permanent makeup companies use blends.
Instead of asking the organic versus inorganic question, consider each material for its intended purpose.
And ask yourself the questions of, is the pigment I'm using safe? Is it beautiful color? And does it have a good lasting time? These questions can be answered with experience. You need to use your best judgment based on real life results.
As far as SofTap is concerned, we've researched all these individual pigment ingredients for you, and we've made our best decisions based off of our real life experience over a 30-year time-tested period.
So that way we ensure that the most important qualities are there, that they're safe, that they're beautiful, that they can last a long time.
If you want to find out a little bit more about SofTap colors, check out our other YouTube video, Questions Corner Color Edition, and we can tell you a little bit more about our beautiful, long-lasting pigments.
You can also check out our training website, softaptraining.com, because we have an awesome brow color theory course on there. It talks about every individual brow color. That's all for now. Please like, share, subscribe, give us more questions. We love answering them all the time. And until next time,
Happy tapping!